Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring you latest opportunities to work, study and settle abroad. Today we are diving into a game-changing announcement from Canada that could be your golden opportunity to a permanent residence in Canada. Yes, you've heard it right. Canada has just launched its Rural Community Immigration Pilot, and we are here to break it all down for you. So if you've ever dreamed of living in Canada with a job offer, this is your chance. Let's get started. First things first, what is Rural Community Immigration Pilot? This is a brand new pathway designed by the Canadian government to help foreign nationals like you to settle in Canada's rural communities, to fill the critical labor shortages and build a long-term future in these beautiful regions. And guess what? It's a direct pathway to permanent residency. But here's the best part. There are 14 communities across Canada that have been selected to participate in this pilot. Let's take a quick look at what are those. From the stunning Pictou County in Nova Scotia to the vibrant Thunder Bay in Ontario and the charming Steinbach in Manitoba, these communities are ready to welcome you with open arms. Each of these communities are represented by a local economic development organization who will closely work with IRCC to identify labor gaps, nominate trusted employers, and recommend candidates for PR. So if you're ready to take this leap, these communities could be your new home. Now let's take a look at the eligibility criteria. Who can apply for this amazing opportunity? Here's what you need. First, a job offer, a genuine job offer from a designated employer in one of these participating communities. Next, you need to have a work experience which is relevant to the job offer being offered. And then you need to have a language proficiency with a minimum of CLB level 5 in an IELTS exam. And then you need an education which is at least a secondary level or equivalent diploma. And then you need to show the proof of funds to support yourself and your family for at least 1 year, which is comparatively lower than the requirements of the express entry. And then you need to have an intent to reside in these communities. And finally, we need a certificate of recommendation, which is provided by the local economic development organization. And don't forget, if you're already in Canada, you must have a valid temporary residence at the time of the application. Sounds doable, right? Here's some exciting news. The RCIP is replacing the Rural and Northern Immigration Pilot Program, which stopped accepting new applications in August 2024. The RNIP was a huge success, helping thousands of newcomers settle in Canada's remote regions. And now RCIP is taking things to a next level. In fact, Canada's Immigration Minister, Mark Miller, has announced plans to make the RCIP a permanent program in the future. So this is just the beginning of even more opportunities for you. Now, what exactly is an immigration pilot? Immigration pilots are temporary pathways to permanent residence designed to address specific labor shortages or support growth in certain regions. They usually run for up to 5 years, and if successful, they can become a permanent program. Canada uses these pilots to experiment with new pathways, measure their success, and create opportunities for people like you to build a better future. So the RCIP is your chance to be a part of something big, a program that could shape the future of immigration in Canada. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on studying, working, and settling abroad. And remember, your dream of living in Canada is closer than you think. With the Rural Community Immigration Pilot, your future is waiting. Until next time, this is Riaz, Branch Manager at Trenity Consultants, signing off. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.